Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another PS4 video. So in this one we are going to jailbreak our PS4 on version 9.00 without a USB or PC. By the way, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. So first we need to connect our PS4 to our network. So after you have connected your PS4 to the network, now go to the browser and press the X button. So if you get to the browser, make sure you delete cookies and website data before you type in the address. So the cache only needs a few seconds to complete. By the way, if you have any questions bordering you, please feel free to ask. I am here and ready for all your questions. Okay, so now our host has completed caching to the browser, so we can now close and open the browser once again. So at this point we have some few settings to choose. So for those who want their PS4 to jailbreak automatically when they open the browser, please follow this method and choose the type of payload you want. So if by any chance this notification pops up, just choose OK and press the X button if your PS4 is not yet jailbroken. So you can see with this new WebKit, you do not need any USB or a PC to jailbreak your PS4, you just have to cache the host and that is it. Please, if you have any question, comment down below and I will respond as quickly as possible. Also, this new WebKit supports 9.00 and 9.60. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed.